Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a different variety of food hauls ranging from daily, weekly and weekend food hauls. Today's haul is a weekly food haul from Marks and Spencer's. The first item I picked up is this apple, pineapple, mango and passion fruit and kale smoothie. I tend to like green smoothies more than any other smoothies. I got some almond milk. I picked up this tomato and sweet garlic pasta sauce. It just sounds really good, so I thought I'd try that this week. I got a Balti curry sauce and a tikka masala curry sauce. Then I got 3 packs of the Oakham chicken 2 skinless breast fillets. It's 3 for £10 or £4 a pack, so you basically get £2 off. Then I got this 6 pack of M&S Still Scottish Mountain Water. It's just the, is it 500ml bottles? The smaller ones. Then I picked 2 rices up. I've got the basmati rice and the long grain and wild rice. That one sounds really nice. I've picked up some more strawberries. They are really tasty. I got 2 punnets last week on 2 different shopping trips and I'm really enjoying having them. I got the Simply M&S Mature English Cheddar. It's only £2. These from the Simply range are cheaper than the other ones. Like the other ones are like £4.50, £5. Then I got 3 of these very small chocolate bars. I really like these. Then sadly they don't have any of the 1 litre ones. I don't think they're going to stock it again because there's not even a space for it on the shelf, sadly. So I just picked up 2 of the small bottles of the apple and elderflower, a hint of sparkling water. Then this was not much cheaper than the big block of mature cheddar, but I don't like mature cheddar, so I got this. This is for to go with salads or on baked potatoes with beans. This will last me quite a while, even though it's a small block. It's creamy Lancashire. Then I got a can of Diet Coke, 2 small cans of baked beans, 2 tins of the tuna chunks in spring water. I had one of these last week and I liked it, so picked up 2 more. I got a pint of semi-skimmed milk and a green Thai curry sauce. And that's everything that I picked up today. I don't have a receipt for it because I also picked up sushi, sausage rolls, 2 single servings of Victoria sponge, a single bottle of cold water, a bottle of Diet Coke and a sandwich. So, you know, I probably spent £12 there, but it was just under 50 for all of that, including the items that are missing that I just told you about. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a new video. And I should be back in around a week's time with another Marks and Spencer's haul. Thank you for watching, everyone.